We're launching India's next all-rounder, Redmi Note 5, starting at 9999. We also have India's camera beast, Redmi Note 5 Pro, starting at 13999. And of course, we have world's thinnest and most beautiful TV, Mi TV 4, only at 39999.
Xiaomi has launched not one, but 3 new products at its New Delhi event today, ushering in the Redmi Note 5, Redmi Note 5 Pro, and Mi TV 4 into India. All 3 are going up for sale on February 22nd via the company's site, Flipkart, and Mi Home stores. Let's start. You are watching Akhil Bhai Technical. Kindly subscribe the channel, like the video and share with your friends and family. Starting off with the phones on hand, the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi Note 5 Pro are very similar in terms of looks and specs. Both have gotten hold of a 5.99-inch 18:9 FHD Plus screen with lesser bezels than before. There's also a 4000 mAh battery, strangely providing less power than its previous variant. As for differences, the Redmi Note 5 has a 5MP selfie shooter, 12MP single rear camera, and Snapdragon 625 processor. The Redmi Note 5 Pro trumps its sibling with a 20MP selfie camera, 12MP plus 5MP dual rear lenses, and Snapdragon 636 SoC. Photography is a key highlight of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The 12MP primary lens comes with a Sony IMX356 sensor, which features a 1.25 micrometers pixel size to let in more light, even in challenging light conditions. The 5MP secondary one boasts of a Samsung sensor to allow for bokeh shots in portrait mode. The 20MP front-facing snapper can also shoot images in portrait mode so that the subject is in focus and the background is blurred. Helping things along is a 4500K selfie light and AI-enhanced Beautify 4.0 to analyze a face and offer custom improvements. Xiaomi is also introducing a face unlock feature, but it's going to arrive in March as a software update. The Redmi Note 5 will set buyers back by 9,999 rupees for its 3GB, 32GB option and 11,999 rupees for its 4GB, 64GB one on Flipkart and Xiaomi's site on February 22nd at 12 pm. The Redmi Note 5 Pro ups things to 13,999 rupees for its 4GB, 64GB version and 16,999 rupees for its 6GB, 64GB. to the Mi TV4, the device is Xiaomi's first television in India after several years of requests from fans. It's officially called the Mi LED Smart TV 4, 55 in the nation and is apparently the thinnest LED TV in the world with a thickness of 4.9mm only. Xiaomi's equipped it with an almost bezel-less 55-inch 4K HDR-ready screen, a 1.8 GHz quad-core AMOLED T968 processor, a Bluetooth remote, Dolby Plus DTS HD audio tech, 8 GB of storage, and 2 GB of RAM. It runs on the firm's Patchwall UI, which is based on Android. Supported services include Hotstar, Root, Alt Balaji, Sony Live, and Hungama Play. Amazon Prime, YouTube, and Netflix aren't around at the moment but will likely debut soon. The Mi TV4 is priced at just 39,999 rupees in India. You can buy it via Flipkart and Xiaomi's website on February 22 at 2 p.m. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Utrughai Technical. Kindly subscribe the channel, like the video and share with your friends and family. We will bring you regular technical video update for you.